Hi friends, Vanakkam. Welcome to Conversational Tamil Through English lessons. Today, let's speak in Tamil a few phrases. Let's learn it in less than 2 minutes, not more than that, right? Okay, we'll start right away. Come as va. Come fast, Vegamaa va. So, fast will be Vegamaa, come as va. I'm going to use the same word fast in all my phrases today. Okay, go, po, go fast, Vegamaa, po. So go is po, go fast is Vegamaa, po. Eat, sapide, eat fast is Vegamaa, sapide. Eat fast will be Vegamaa, sapide. Read, Padi, read fast will be Vegamaa, Padi. Write, எழுது, write fast will be Vegamaa, எழுது. So write is எழுது, write fast will be Vegamaa, எழுது. So that's all for today. Now the technique to pick up a language is to use it in your daily conversations. So please do it. Meet you in my next video with another set of phrases, quick phrases. Before signing off, as always, subscribe, like and share. Give me your feedback too. Bye. Mikka Nandri.